What's up YouTube? The Bearded Outdoorsman, your guide to all things gear and beards. Today we're going to be taking a look at a component from my EDC pocket dump. Alright, so make sure to stay tuned. Alright guys, welcome back. If you are new to my channel, I am the Bearded Outdoorsman. I do hiking videos, gear reviews, some tutorials, some beard product reviews, as you can see from the intro. And today we're going to be taking a look at one of my components for my EDC, something that I carry with me every single day, everywhere I go. So if you haven't already, please hit that thumbs up button and please consider hitting that subscribe button. So what we're going to be talking about today is the Hatori little pocket flashlight. All right, so this flashlight measures I think 3.5 inches long. It's got a push button rear button. It has a pocket clip that you can actually take this clip off and flip it and put it down here on this section. It is powered by one AAA battery. All right, so that is really good in the fact that if your battery dies, you only need a AAA battery, which you can pretty much pick up anywhere. Now I've had this flashlight carried in my pocket for probably close to 6 months or more. Use it on a very regular basis, and I have not had to replace the battery. So it comes in at 150 lumens, which isn't super bright, but it's good enough as for a pocket flashlight and an EDC to get the job done for those small tasks. It does have a little spot here, I don't know if you can see it, where you could attach like a little lanyard if you wanted to with some small cord, but it is super bright for a little mini flashlight. Now I will go ahead and tell you, I keep this attached to my pocket right next to a pocket clip pocket knife. I actually forget that it's there most days, but it is simple to use, and you've got O-rings. If you can see this, you've got O-rings for the battery, and it just takes a simple AAA battery. Now this is selling on Amazon right now for, I want to say it was about $15 for a pack of 2. So you can't beat it. I just bought another pack of 2 the other day, just to have a backup and to put one somewhere else and just to keep them. So I think it's a really cool EDC little mini flashlight. I know it's not a name brand, but it gets the job done. So that's really what matters. So drop me a comment. Have you ever used one of these? They also make one that is a little bit longer. I think it's about 5 or 6 inches long. Same brand, and I think the same, pretty much same style, just a little bit longer. But yeah, drop me a comment. Let me know what you think, and make sure to hit that subscribe button. Make sure to hit that thumbs up. And as always, from the Bearded Outdoorsman, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.